Hey everybody, welcome back to Brent's Backyard Redneckery. Today, I'm going to show you an experiment I've been working on. It involves wet paper towels, an old Chinese food container, and pineapple seeds. So we'll go ahead and get into this. I'll tell you what you need to do. So what I have here is an old rice container from Chinese takeout. You can see I've got some pineapple seeds down there in the bottom covered up with a secondary layer of paper towels. Let's have a look inside. All right, I've had these in here for about 4 months. So let's go ahead and peel back that top layer of paper towel and see if we have anything that sprouted. So this is going to be a little bit difficult to see, but there's one sprout there. Looks like maybe one there, maybe one there. They don't look too healthy up there though. There's at least one. We're going to go ahead and plant all of these and see if we can't get ourselves some pineapples. So we'll take a look at this soil I have here. It's a nice composty peat moss cocoa coir mix with perlite that I've mixed in there myself. It's a pretty nice mixture. It's a little dry right now because it's been sitting in this bucket for a while, but we'll dampen it up a little bit before we get the seeds planted. So let's go ahead and pop some soil in containers. I'm just going to take these little 3 inchers I bought off of Amazon a while back. I'm going to toss soil in there, set them up here on the table next to my pineapples. All right, so I have my 3 containers, my seeds, and my Temu spray bottle. Great deal. I think this thing was $3.99, and it's awesome. If you haven't ever been to Temu, I definitely recommend you check it out. Let's go ahead and see how we're going to get these put in the little pots, and then we'll go on to the next step. All right, so you're going to have a little pair of tweezers. These things are mighty small. And if you're smart, you won't tell your wife you took them. We're just going to put that seed in there with the green part up. Okay, I'll get that rearranged in a second. You want the sprout up on top. It's a little bit tricky, but we'll take care of that. All right. And always make sure that you use a tray on your kitchen table, because if you don't, you probably will get beaten up. Now, before I put this one in the soil, you can see the little leaves on there looking pineapple-y. So I'm going to go ahead and get it in there with the rest of them and then get these things watered down. So whenever you have seedlings this little, you really got to try and pack that soil in there so they don't wiggle around a lot. You know, whenever I first put it in there, it's pretty loose. I packed it down to try and keep them in place, and we'll just take this big, beautiful sprayer here and water this down some. Look at that one, it's already washed away. So I'll have to find that and repack it. But we'll go ahead and water all these in, and then I'll re-stick them if they've moved too much. Then we'll finish this up, put them under the grow lamp. All right, so we got everything in here. There's the little one there, one there, one there, and then this one I've had growing for about 3 weeks. So any luck, the rest of them will turn out just like that. All right, so that's my experiment for now. Come back maybe a month or so and we'll see if those things have grown or if they have died off. In the meantime, if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Come back next time. I'll tell you what you need to do. Have a good one.